To you all. So now the activity is going on, as you can see here. The activity just a minute, that is jab activity. We all are performing here. So this is my turn. I just take out one slip. So I just unwrap it and let's see what the topic is. And this is arranged marriage versus love marriage, and this is a debate topic. So I will prefer arranged marriage actually because this is a debate topic. So as you can see here in villages, mostly arranged marriage they take place. So I prefer arranged marriage because you may have seen love marriage. What happens after 1 or 2 years only they get break down, because they have to go in court places. Because in starting when they have love, they fall in love with each other. They have great feelings. They have attraction. But when they know the reality of a family is, when they know the responsibility, what are the responsibility of a married person, what are the responsibility, when they know, then they can't arrange, they can't manage. Then what do? They get divorced. They go in court as well. But when an arranged marriage that takes place, you can see in families, our elders, our grandfather, our father, mother, they check out, they find out a good family, a nice family, a mannerful girl, not only educated, she must have good manners. She must be, she must know some, rituals, customs as well of a family. She must be holding some kinds of responsibilities of a family. So this type of girl they search for us, and that marriage, as I have observed, that marriage that is everlasting. We can say that is why in India, in our culture, we can say in our Sanskriti, we take 7 goals, 7 fedas, and that is for in 7 lifetimes for us. So that is why I prefer arranged marriage. And I would also like to, among students, sometimes we have discussion. So we also discuss the customs, the culture of Indian history, the culture of Indian villages, and the culture of our society also we discuss with the students, and we should prefer this only. So thank you so much.